Okay, Mom, I'm leaving. Bye.
Yeah, beta, but come back before it's dark, okay?
Okay, Mom. Bye. Beta! Beta, don't you dare step outside.
Why? I'm going to my friend's house.
But Beta, try to understand. You just sneezed.
So?
Anyone who sneezes right before leaving the house doesn't come back home safely.
What do you mean?
That means you will die if you leave the house. And I don't want to lose my son. I spent thousands of dollars on you while growing up. And now that you're all grown up, you have to pay me back with your future salary. So don't go, Beta.
Mom, it was just a sneeze. You probably heard that myth on WhatsApp.
Okay, go then, since you want to die so bad.
Bye.
You still wanna go? Huh? No. Okay.